Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund from the Google Play Store step by step. First, open your web browser such as Google Chrome and search for Google Play Store Refund. In the search results, look for the official Google refund request page and open it. Once the page loads, click on Request a Refund and then click Continue. Google will ask you to confirm which Google account was used to make the purchase. Make sure you select the correct account and then click Continue again. Now you will see a list of your recent purchases. If you have made any eligible purchases, they will appear here. Find the item you want a refund for and click on it. For example, it could be an app, game, or other digital purchase. After selecting the purchase, click Continue. Google will then ask why you want a refund. Choose the reason that best matches your situation. Next, you'll see a box where you can explain the issue. Simply write a short explanation such as, I didn't mean to buy this item, or describe your situation clearly. Once everything is filled out, click on Request Refund or Submit. Google will review your request and begin the refund process. After submitting, you'll receive a response from Google, usually by email. And that's it. That's how you can request a refund from the Google Play Store.